CM 365, all about Carnatic music.
In the previous episode, I had discussed about the Pancharatna Kritis of Tyagaraja in general. One Rasika wanted to know more about the melodic structure of each and how one was distinct from the other. So I thought I'll share something about the salient features of each from this episode. The first, of course, is Jagadananda Karaka in Nate. We know that Nate, as such, has got the Arona, like Sari ga ma pada ni sa ni pa ba ga ma ri sa or sa ni pa ba ri sa. Both are acceptable. But the point here is that throughout this Pancharatnam, we see that the Vivadi note of the Shatshruti Dhaivata, like Padani, which is there in Nate, has been totally avoided by Tyagarajar, and the usage of Panisa is seen throughout the composition. And even when he uses the Rishabha, the Shatshruti Rishabha, Sari Ga or Pamaga Mari, in both these kind of phrases, which are typical of Nate, we see that he has kept the Rishabha and Gandhara as distinct from one another. In fact, that is also one beautiful way of avoiding the Vivaditva. He very, very deftly he uses phrases to give us a beautiful feel of using this Pamarisa or Sari, Sapa, like these phrases, which really avoid this Vivaditva and give that Nate its complete picture. Coming to the structure of this particular Pancharatnam, we see that though here we have the Pallavi, Anupallavi, and then the number of charanas. And here, usually in the last charana, we see that the mudra of the composer Tyagarajar comes in all the Pancharatnam. In all the songs also, we see that in the charanam part it is there. This particular Pancharatnam has got 10 charanas. Interestingly, we see that the 8th, 9th and the 10th charana, all of them contain Tyagaraja's mudra. It is said that he composed only 8 charanas, but then it is seen that now with the 10 charanas in place, we see that the 108 namas of Rama are, when you add all of them, through the song, when you try to total up here, we see that there are 108 names of the Lord Rama coming in. So probably to bring out this figure, he added 2 more charanas. That is how the history tells us, the kind of incident which led him to bring in this 2 more additional charanas. So interestingly, you see here that in the 8th charana, Sannuta Shri Tyagarajanuta. In the 9th also, Hara Vikrita Tyagaraja Sannuta. 10th also again you see Risimhavara Tyagaraja Jaga. So 3 times the mudra of the composer Tyagaraja comes in this particular composition. And also we see that as for the commencing point of the charanas, they either start on the sa or pa. For example, the first one, sa sa ni pa 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 sa sa ri, or the second one, sa ni pa ba ni pa, or third one, pa ni pa ba, or the fourth one, pa ni pa ba pa ni, fifth one, sa pa ba ri, sixth one, sa ni pa ri sa, seventh, sa 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 sa, eighth one, pa ba ri sa ni pa sa, ninth one, pa pa ni pa ba ni pa, 10th one, pa pa ni pa ba. Like this we see that sa or pa becomes the commencing point of the each of the charanas. And we see that the first charana has got 3 avartas, and also the 7th and 10th has got 3 avartas, but all the others happen to have only 2 avartana of Swara Sahityam. In the 5th we see that there is beautiful yati pattern like this. In between, in many places we are able to see different kinds of beauties. Just 1 or 2 I'll share. In the 5th one, Ri pa ma ri ni pa ba ri sa ni pa ba ri, like this he has brought out a pattern. In the 6th one, ni pa sa ni pa ri sa ni pa ma ri sa ni pa, like that we see. And in the 7th, the beauty lies in the jump Ullasita kind of a gamakam we say, from the Adhara Shadja to the Tara Shadja, giving so much of importance and beauty to that word Omkara. Omkara Panchara Kera Pura. It brings about a unique grandeur to that word itself. And as I mentioned earlier about how he has avoided this Vivaditva, I'll just share one particular charanam for you to observe this point. Pa bari sa ni pa sa bari sa pa bari sa ni pa bari sa pa ni pa ni sa ri ma pa ni pa sa ni pa bari sa ri ga ma jag dayananda karaka. Here distinctly also we see that it is only the Pallavi line which is sung after each of the charanam, and the composition itself starts on the samam, and then all the charanas we see are in the samam itself. So that way the Nate becomes a very ideal ragam to bring about the grandeur of the Sahitya here. And so we could also say that the ragam and the Sahityam complement each other very beautifully in terms of the first Pancharatna.
CM 365, all about Carnatic music.